I think the real winner out of everything is actually this chimichurri sauce. Well, sauce. It's not really a sauce, it's an oil-based thing. Anyway, I'm gonna now use this and I'm gonna put that through some spaghetti with a little bit of chicken. So I basted up some chicken last night, put that all over it, spaghetti, chimichurri, and a bucket of mozzarella. No, parmesan. Mix that around and we'll see how that goes. Bonus round. Much better. That's the new puppy. Enter spaghetti. Transfer to the back.
Okay, come on.
Then I have onions, so I'm adding onions. Chicken breast that was basted in chimichurri last night. Cooked up because I didn't want to waste the chicken breast. Now, I'm going to cut it into manageable pieces because I'm going to add it to my spaghetti. I definitely recommend the chimichurri as a based on meat. It's delicious. The pasta should be good. Give it a quick fork check. Now we're going to al dente. Really too al dente. And another couple minutes on that, that's fine. Enter the chicken. It's chicken and onion so far. Let's sizzle up. Let's get the rest of the stuff we need. I don't need those triple stragglers. And a little bit of pasta water. About a cup. That'll do us. Pasta water around the sides there. Alright, now I'm going to get this all mixed together. Damn. Put a lid on it. Kind of simming it for the next 5 minutes. Alright, we're looking good. Gonna get some cheese now. They say cheese is the glue of the soul. You just want a little bit of cheese, not too much. Should we open the next packet? Let's try this one first. Beautiful. Let's get some plates. Different color and heat. I have the spaghetti chicken Jimichurri. We're also celebrating tiny little thing underneath there. Just sleeping. Celebration! Okay, I got some. We got it working. We got the bottle working. I want to eat this and drink this. To a successful pup acquisition.
Yay, pup!
Moment of truth. You've had spaghetti before, I can tell.
Good flavors, light. Garlic, definitely. Parsley coming through, unsurprising. Just a really nice combination, very smooth, very easy. Perfect for summer or winter.
There you have it, the Jimichurri.